to say hello to my German friends in Germany.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Gavin.
Hello, Canada.
Hello to Lynette in Chicago.
A special hello to Peter and Wendy Drynan in Carrigaline.
I want to say hello to everybody in Thrones.
Yeah, my friends and family back home.
And my cousin in California.
Anne and Aoife, we love you. Can I say hello to all my family and friends?
And I'd like to say hello to my two children, Madeline and Joseph.
Hiya, Michael. Hiya, Jason.
Hi, everyone.
To JP and Fidelma Walsh in Listowel.
All my friends in the United States of America, from New York, Connecticut, Oregon, Utah, Texas.
Hello to my husband, Dermot.
My sister in Australia.
Grandchildren, Ethan, Aaron and Abigail, we love you.
To my family and friends.
And my dog, Trap, Giovanna Trapattoni. Whoop, whoop.
Hey, mummy!
Me, Hannah, I love you.
Say hello to all the Shirleys and the Hegartys in Dublin.
To my daughter Aisling in Mexico.
I've got friends in Australia, the Cliffords, and I hope they're having a great time watching us on TV.
And John and Verna in California, we're here. We love Derry.
We made it.
Love Derry, love the Fleadh. Glad to be here.